Men at Work Down Under, classic Australia national anthem, I think. Really a basic song here. We got two guitars going. One of them's just kind of playing some straight up chords, and the other one's doing kind of a cool little palm mute single note thing. So we'll just jump into both of them. Two guitars, and then it's a verse and a chorus section. So pretty straightforward. So we'll just kick off the first guitar here for the verse, and it's all going to be in the key of B minor here. Okay, so we're just going to begin with that chord. Okay, so second on the A, 4/4 on the D and G, 3 on the B. Play it there. Okay, and it's got a pretty notable strumming pattern here, where we're going to do a quick 2 and then a delayed third strum. So just a down up, and then kind of rest it, and then hit a slightly delayed third strum there. Okay, so. Okay. You want it cut about like that. Okay. And each measure is going to be 2 chords. So first half of the measure will be that B minor, just like that. And then we're going to switch to just an A chord. Okay. Open A, 2, 2, 2 on the DGB. Alright. And we're going to strum that the same way we did the B minor. Okay. So that first measure. Alright, and for the second measure, which will be the final measure, it's just 2 measures in this progression. We'll kick it off with that B minor once more. Strum the same way. And now we're going to add a little something new where we do a G chord, but we're just going to kind of hit the top half of it. Okay, and then quickly hit the bottom half of it after. Alright. Okay, we go from that, and that'll be, just about 1 beat long, that whole thing. And we go from there, and then we do the same thing with an A chord. Okay, hit the top half first, and then the bottom half. Okay, so. Alright, so that second measure. Alright, and then just put that all together. Okay, and for what the second guitar is doing for the verse, like I said, it's just some palm muted single notes here. Alright, so, just lightly rest your palm on the bridge, just to deaden that sound. Okay, and we're going to kick it off with, a B minor kind of deal here. So we're second fret on the A, but we're not going to go through the whole chord. We're just going to pick that first bass note, and then we're going to do 2 quick 4 on the D, and then back to the 2 on the A. Okay, just want it pretty quick. Alright, and then to finish that measure, we're just going to hit an open A and then a second on the D, and then just rest that. So. Alright. And then the second measure, of course, will start the same way. Alright, and then we're just going to pick a G bass note here on a 3 of the E. And then an open D. Open A. And then second on the D. Just to match what the other guitar is doing there. Alright, and just just put that all together. Okay, and then the chorus kicks in. And for the first guitar, we're kind of just sticking with that same strumming pattern, just a new chord. Okay, so it just comes up to a D chord. Okay, 2 on a G, 3 B, 2 E. Alright, and same strumming pattern. Okay. Alright, and then we're going to go to A. And then from there, we just kind of continue that second measure, just like the verse. So B minor, and then the G, and the A. Okay, and then just repeat it from there. Alright, and the second guitar for the chorus, just kind of matching what the first was doing. A similar deal to the verse, second guitar, just picking those single notes. We're going to do open D, okay, palm muting still, then a couple twos on the G, back to the open D, and just get the tempo up. Alright, then we'll hit that open A, second on the D, then rest. Okay, first measure, and then second measure just the same as the second measure of the verse. Okay, so second fret on the A, 4s on the D, back to second fret A, and then G, third fret of the E, open D, open A, second on the D. Same as the verse. Okay, so you just put that all together. No sweat. Thanks for checking out the video, everybody. Like it, share it, leave a comment. It's always good to hear from you. Do me a favor and hit the subscription button. I put out a video pretty frequent, so you don't want to miss out on that. Check out the links in the description box below. I have really cool links for tablature books, all the gear I use, t-shirts, fun stuff like that. So thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.